It appears that this lumber-loaded truck encountered hazardous road conditions today due to rain, making the surface extremely slippery. Although the truck's aggressive appearance may suggest high performance, it is crucial to prioritize safety over aesthetics. There is uncertainty whether the towed truck, with its misaligned wheels, will reach its destination without mechanical failure, underscoring the importance of proper maintenance and towing procedures. During sudden braking, the heavy steel pipes shifted forward into the cabin due to inertia, highlighting the critical need to secure loose cargo to prevent injuries. Fortunately, an excavator was available to assist the truck laden with dirt by pushing it up the hill, thereby averting a potential tip-over and demonstrating the value of emergency support. Although the collision appeared minor at first glance, the unusually loud impact emphasizes that even small accidents can have significant consequences, warranting careful vehicle maintenance. A more controlled method is required for boarding the pickup truck safely. Thankfully, the driver sustained only minor injuries, which reinforces the importance of cautious approaches. Parking too close to the train tracks proved hazardous when the vehicle was struck by an approaching train, serving as a cautionary example of proper parking distances near railway lines. It is unclear why the excavator is pushing the truck further into the ravine rather than pulling it up, raising important questions about the recovery strategy employed. It is concerning that the truck continues to push its cargo upward despite a complete front axle failure, which underscores the necessity for immediate inspections and repairs. Despite the excavator's efforts, the fully loaded lumber truck rolled backward down the hill, illustrating the importance of secure loading practices and regular equipment checks. Two individuals attempted to stabilize the truck using only their body weight, but their efforts were inadequate, highlighting the need for proper equipment and techniques in emergency stabilization. The actions of the man in the white shirt, who intervened in the path of a speeding car, raise important questions about the risks of such behavior and emphasize the need for proper roadside safety measures. When the truck braked suddenly, the massive steel beams shifted unexpectedly, demonstrating the importance of securely fastening cargo to prevent hazardous movement. Although the truck noticed an approaching vehicle, it applied the brakes too abruptly on an icy road, resulting in a loss of control and underscoring the need for cautious braking in adverse conditions. The truck's rear wheel lost traction as an oncoming car approached, leading to a collision that underscores the importance of maintaining tire integrity and monitoring road conditions. The car in the center proceeded recklessly through the intersection, demonstrating a disregard for safety that can have serious consequences in traffic. The car inadvertently entered the truck's blind spot, a situation that can lead to dangerous outcomes and emphasizes the need for constant awareness on the road. Failing to monitor the tire pressure during inflation resulted in overinflation and a subsequent tire failure, underscoring the importance of adhering to recommended pressure guidelines. The driver demonstrated exceptionally rapid reflexes, aided by timely communication from the vehicle ahead, which likely prevented a more serious incident. The truck swerved to avoid a pedestrian, which resulted in a collision with an oncoming truck. This incident highlights the critical importance of pedestrian awareness and proper vehicular response in emergencies. After exiting his vehicle, the individual neglected to engage the parking brake, causing the car to roll uncontrollably. Fortunately, it was halted by a utility pole, emphasizing the need to secure vehicles before leaving them unattended. Upon the arrival of the forklift, two individuals prematurely celebrated without completing the necessary task of handling the goods, demonstrating the importance of following all safety and operational procedures. The white car attempted to overtake the truck, but a yellow car approaching from the opposite direction necessitated careful timing and situational awareness during the maneuver. Both cars attempted to pass the truck in a narrow lane simultaneously, a maneuver that can be extremely dangerous and reinforces the need to adhere to safe passing practices. Both vehicles were caught off guard when a motorcycle passed unexpectedly. Although one driver was able to brake in time, the following vehicle was not, highlighting the need for constant vigilance. Despite early braking, the car was unable to stop on the slippery road, demonstrating the significant impact that adverse road conditions have on stopping distances. This Audi, lacking a rear-view camera and sensors, reversed slowly without noticing the vehicle behind it, underscoring the importance of advanced safety systems and situational awareness. After parking in the emergency lane, the driver neglected to secure the driver's side door, resulting in damage. This incident stresses the importance of verifying that all vehicle doors are properly closed. The truck appears to have experienced significant electrical issues, which led to a fire in the cab while in motion, highlighting the need for regular electrical system inspections. The bridge, subjected to the weight of a concrete mixer truck, faced structural stress that emphasizes the importance of adhering to load limits and ensuring regular infrastructure inspections. The car owner quickly engaged reverse gear to avoid a collision with a tanker truck, demonstrating the critical role of quick decision-making and effective vehicle control in emergencies. The truck came to an unexpected stop on the hill, suggesting possible mechanical issues or driver error, and underscoring the need for routine vehicle checks before tackling challenging terrain. The truck sustained damage to its cabin roof, while the engine and other critical components remained intact, illustrating that collisions can affect different parts of a vehicle in varying ways. Operating at high speed over a sinkhole nearly caused the mobile crane to lose control, highlighting the risks associated with compromised road surfaces and the need for reduced speeds in hazardous conditions. The fully loaded truck reversed unexpectedly to yield to a vehicle ahead, but due to a weakened section of the concrete road, it overturned, demonstrating the importance of infrastructure maintenance and cautious driving. Operating at high speeds, this truck's behavior compromised safety, reminding us that all vehicles must adhere to posted speed limits and safe driving practices. Two large trucks attempted a high-speed maneuver around a corner. When one lost control, dislodged cargo struck a parked van, underscoring the necessity of secure cargo transport and speed regulation. The driver demonstrated commendable responsibility by stopping to safely remove two loose tires from the roadway, which highlights the importance of proactive safety measures. Tampering with the tire by inserting a needle created a hazardous situation, emphasizing the risks of manipulating vehicle components without proper safety procedures. Drivers with limited steering control should avoid high speeds and maintain a safe distance from large trucks to prevent potential accidents. Truck's doors were securely closed. The driver was able to exit quickly, demonstrating the importance of being familiar with emergency egress procedures. The white car appears to be operated by an inexperienced driver, underscoring the need for comprehensive driver training and caution. The tire appears to be underinflated, which may compromise its performance and safety, highlighting the necessity of regular tire pressure checks. The truck may have been temporarily impaired by the sudden change in lighting upon exiting a dark tunnel into bright daylight, emphasizing the need for careful adjustment in such conditions. Extremely slippery road conditions, making it essential to reduce speed in order to maintain control and ensure safety. The overhead beam appears structurally sound, indicating that it is effectively supporting the intended load. Using a cell phone while driving can lead to unpredictable outcomes, highlighting the importance of minimizing distractions for the sake of road safety. It is essential to inspect the tire system, especially for trucks, prior to driving to prevent accidents related to tire failure. On July 6 in Wenzhou, Zhejiang, a white car failed to yield while turning, resulting in the vehicle flipping over. This incident underscores the importance of proper yielding and safe driving techniques. The concrete mixer became immobilized upon arriving at the construction site, and due to a delayed rescue and oversight regarding the concrete setting time, the load hardened inside the drum, illustrating the need for timely intervention and adherence to material guidelines. This incident reinforces the importance of understanding the sensitivity of your vehicle's accelerator and maintaining proper control at all times. Although a crane eventually arrived to assist in lifting the truck, a single crane proved insufficient for the task. Coordinated use of multiple cranes was necessary to safely right the vehicle, demonstrating the value of teamwork in heavy recovery operations.